Here's Lenny Kravitz working out at the gym. Take a look at this.
This isn't how everyone's dad works out?
Yeah. So he's wearing a mesh shirt and leather pants.
Is that not... I was today years old when I learned that wasn't how everyone's dad works out.
He's hilarious.
You know, he does his thing, man.
He's just a stud.
He's pulling it off.
But you put it in your film.
I did. There's a part at the beginning of the movie where the lead character is looking through social media, and we were looking for videos, and me and my editor, we put it in as a joke, and then we were just like, oh, let's leave it in. It's pretty funny.
Yeah, it's good.